this video, I'm going to show you how to create a link so you can share your photos with other people. So you can see on my computer here that I have these 4 photos, and these are the photos that I'm going to be sharing. Now this will work with individual photos and also multiple photos as well. Now the first step is to go and open up an internet browser, and you just need to head over to the website google.com. Now make sure you're signed into your Google account in the top right hand side, and then you can go and click on this square icon next to your profile picture. You can then click on Drive. Now from here we're just going to click on New in the top left hand side and then click on New Folder. You can then go and give this the name of Photos and then press Create. Now once you've created your folder, we're going to double click on this. You can then click on New in the top left hand side and click on File Upload. Now what we can do is go and upload our images that we want to share to other people. So I'm going to select all of these images like so, and then I'm just going to click Open. Now once you've uploaded all of your photos inside of this folder, you can go and click on the name of your folder at the top here, and then you can click on Share. You can then click on the Share button, and where it says General Access, click on the drop down arrow and change this to anyone with the link. You can then press Copy Link, and then you can press Done. Now what we can do is go and send this link to the person that needs to access these photos. So I'll show you what this looks like in a new web browser. So if I go and paste this link into the address bar, you can see this person will have access to all of our different photos. And from here, they can just click on the download button and they can go and download this photo themselves. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.